Cubix?
Fastest yet.
Yeah! This baby's cooking! Woohoo!
The turbo infusion really works. He's setting a new record.
Maybe. But I still think we should have coupled it to the stabilizer, just for safety.
Coming in for the final pass! Yeah! Uh-oh. It's stuck!
In the future, not so far away, is the dawning of an all-new day.
Robots for everyone.
Machines that care could be our friends, side by side until the end.
Robots for everyone.
They build special powers right inside.
Hundreds of models from which to choose.
With emotion-driven
The
EPUs.
worlds of good and bad collide. Gotta fight all day and night. Yeah. 'Cause you got the robot who sets everything right. Cubix. Powers beyond compare. Cubix. Evil forces better beware. Cubix. In this trouble we will always be there.
Robots for everyone.
Cubix.
Stick with me, Chip.
Thanks, Cubix.
Way to go, Cubix.
You got it.
I think it's the balancer. The turbo might be overpowering it.
It could also be the vertical hold.
It's never gonna work.
Should we recalibrate it?
We already did that.
I'm going to see Professor Nemo. Maybe we should ask his opinion.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
He told me to meet him here. It's some kind of testing facility. Cars? Oh no! There are robots in there! Let's go help them! What happened to him?
I don't know.
There's a piece.
It looks like a head.
Are you okay? Can you hear me?
Don't worry about him. He'll be all right.
But he hit the wall.
That's their job. They're crash test dummies. They're the new Indestructix model.
That's right. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to pull myself together. So to speak. Come over here and give me a hand, will you? In a couple of legs, for that matter. Good as new. I'm dummy in. 14th dummy off the line. Thank you. Thank you very much. Those guys over there are much later models. That's Triple Z, Double P, and the backup dude, he's Quadruple B.
I see why they're called Indestructix. Look at them. They're completely fine.
Not even a scratch.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Cubix. They're built a little like you, aren't they?
I like Cubix. Yes, I do. He tried to help me. He's a cool guy. What do you say, Cubix?
Say about what?
Funny guy. You should come crash with us sometime. We're scheduled for a head-on this afternoon. Wanna join us?
No, thank you.
It's not the calibration.
It seems like we've tried everything.
Check the vertical stabilizer. 8-to-1, it's not fully integrated. Now go ahead, give it a once-over. Most common problem on model number 101999.
Dummy N is correct.
Wow, you really
Very
know a lot.
impressive.
I'm not the 14th dummy off the assembly line for nothing.
Dummy N, it is time to get back to work.
All right. Cubix, good buddy. I hate to run out on you like this. I'm really sorry.
Don't worry. That's okay.
Hey, boss.
What now?
It's 1 minute till rec hour.
Wait a minute, what's rec hour?
Beats me.
Can't wait to get these antennae off my head. A full hour of free play.
Wanna go bowling?
Only if I can beat the pins.
All right, go and set up. Coming at you!
Triple threat, we're a dance machine. A smashing, crashing, bashing dream. Up, over, around, and through. I'm smashing.
I'm crushing.
And my name's Drew.
I got it! Ooh.
These guys play the same old games day in and day out. Boring. Huh? Now, Cubix and his pals, they know how to have fun. Unlike the bunch of dummies I'm stuck with.
Time off!
Just a little.
You're a dummy! Now start acting like one! All right, dummies! Controllers on!
Yes, boss. Right away, boss.
Yes, boss.
All I want is a day off. I'm not asking to go to Graceland or nothing. I can't take it anymore. I gotta get out of here. I'll act casual. Maybe he won't notice me.
Hey, dummy N! Where do you think you're going?
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Gotta roll. Sorry, boss, but I belong with people. I can't stay cooped up here any longer.
This time he's really cracked.
It looks like the vertical stabilizer is fully integrated.
But now something else isn't working.
What's not working, ladies and gentlemen, is me, because I just got the day off. And I can't be called because my antennae are out of range, baby. Now, what's wrong with this little birdie?
We don't know. We're stuck. Big time.
Check the infusion links.
No good. Abby already tried that.
An air bike is like a finely tuned instrument. Each part has to be in harmony with every other. Come on, sing to me, birdie. Don't need this. Don't want that. 86 to these. Oh, adios to those.
Hey, the engine's reconfigured.
Wow, that's awesome.
This little birdie is ready to fly.
Whoa!
Your air bike will shake, rattle, and roll with the best and the fastest in Bubbletown. My new bestest friends, that I personally guarantee.
I can't wait to see it in action.
Me neither.
And you won't have to, little buddies. Time to take her out for a test drive.
Wait a second there. Exactly what kind of test are you planning on doing on my bike?
Relax. Hop in, Don Don. Let's go for a ride.
This is so exciting. See you later, Abby.
Hang on, little guy. We're going crashing.
Crashing? Oh, what is he doing?
He said he's going to crash it.
Oh.
Don.
He can't mean that.
Dummy in! Come in! Bring my air bike back right now!
Yeah, and Don.
I don't get all this yiggity-yak. What's the point of building a vehicle if you're not gonna crash it?
Ever heard of transportation?
He's going too fast.
Engine temperature rising.
It's becoming unstable.
Whoa! Yeah, baby.
He's going to blow out the engine!
60 seconds until engine failure.
Can we go home now? Dummy in 50 seconds, the engine is going to blow out!
Don't worry, baby. I'll crash way before that. Yeah, you know it.
Oh, don't you dare!
Easy.
Don.
Coming in for a landing. A crash landing, that is. Oh, ho, ho.
Here he comes.
Everybody get down!
Well, hello, Wall.
Cubix!
He's gonna...
My air bike. Oh.
Don.
Chip? Abby? Wake up, you guys.
I thought the only reason to make a vehicle was to crash it. Everyone I ever saw was built to be crashed.
That's because you work in a place that's supposed to crash cars to test them.
So what else is a car for, baby?
Driving?
Guess I'll try to rebuild it.
Don't worry, buddy. I'll come back tomorrow. Oh, yeah. You know it.
Well, I guess I'm gonna take off.
Yeah, looks like it's time to head home.
Yeah. I'll see you guys later.
Why, if it takes months to rebuild the air bike, then I'll have friends to play with for months. See you guys later.
Much later.
Bye. Bye.
You better go back to Robix Corp.
I'm gonna hang out with you guys.
Sorry. We're gonna be heading home now, Dummy Ann. See you later.
Later.
Later? That could mean next week, or it could mean in 5 minutes.
Dad'll be home pretty soon.
Can I set the table?
Sure, go ahead.
So this is home, huh? I like it. It's really nice.
Coming. Huh? Dummy Ann?
I'm home,
No way. You can't stay here.
but I want to.
Dummy Ann, go away. I hope he's out of here before Dad gets back.
Dad! What the?
Huh? What was that? Oh, man! Whoa! He's whacked. Oh, no! It's my dad!
Huh?
Hey, Dad, how's it going?
Well, Huh? What the heck is that?
It's nothing, really.
I certainly hope you didn't bring any stray robots home with you.
Wait a second, Dad.
Cubix? Cubix?
Oh, hi.
Are you the only one in here?
Just me and this dummy.
My first job was to drive a car off a pier into the ocean. I sat at the bottom of the sea for 3 days.
Will you please be quiet?
Huh?
I'm trying to get some sleep here.
Sorry. Shh. Anyway, the only disc was an Elvis CD, which I played over and over.
Elvis?
He's a singer. It had all the greatest hits on it. I listened to it 122 times. You see, each dummy has letters after its name. Hi, how's it going? And I have the letter N after my name because N is the 14th letter of the alphabet and I was the 14th dummy off the assembly. Well, let me tell you about the biggest crash I ever did. I was driving an 18-wheeler and I was going 100 miles an hour, bumping and bouncing on this dirt road. They wanted to know what would happen if I went off the cliff, so I drove it right down to the end of the road.
Kept me up all night.
Most dummies would.
Why don't you send him back to Robix Corp?
Believe me, I tried and tried.
The letter N after my name
I
because
know
N is the
exactly
14th
what
letter
you
of
need
the
to
alphabet.
do.
Another crash test. What a great idea.
Now, didn't I tell you guys the Dummy N would come through for us?
You guys are my friends. Enough said. All right, good buddies. See you at the test site. Drive safely now. Yeah. It ain't nothing but a crash test. Crashing all the time. And all those buddies are good friends of mine. Yeah, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm ready to... Huh? Robix Corp? What's going on?
Well, you need to go back there, Dummy N.
We're really sorry.
You brought this on yourself.
I thought you were my friends. You tricked me, and now I'm really mad!
Dummy N, come back!
Why, I'll show them they can't treat me like that. I was the 14th dummy off the assembly line. Now I'm in control.
There's a charging station over there.
Anywhere else?
Well, Oh, he might have gone to the storage warehouse.
Okay, thanks a lot. Chip and I'll go to the warehouse.
We'll check the charging station.
Come on, Maximix!
Right behind you.
There it is! Straight up ahead!
Yeah, I see it. Seems kind of creepy, huh?
Yeah, majorly creepy.
Did you hear something?
I'm not sure.
Up there!
Watch out!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and robots too. You didn't want to be my friend. Well, now it's time to say hello to some of my new friends. Yeah, baby.
What are they?
Indestructics dummies controlled by antenna on dummy end's head. Analysis of situation indicates only one viable strategy.
What's that?
Run!
Let's go!
The big guy will do the rocking, you boys do the rolling.
Yes, boss.
Ah! Reverse course! Ship, incoming at 6 o'clock! Cerebrix! I'll distract him! You see if you can jam Dummy End's antenna! Hey, dummies! Try to get me! Whoa! Oops! Cubix! Oh no! Cerebrix, find the signal!
Ladder formation. Get that calculator.
Yes, boss.
Unable to locate frequency. Approximately 10 seconds until capture.
Cerebrix! Hang in there! I've got an idea. All right, here I come!
Threat retreating. Additional processing time achieved. Thank you, Connor.
You got it! Don't take too much time, though. Chip! They're nipping at your heels!
That's not all they're nipping at!
Cerebrix!
Frequency located. Attempting to jam. Unable to jam signal. 10 seconds to capture. Continuing search. Transponder located. 105 yards north by 20 yards east.
Cubix!
Got it.
All right, Cubix! The crash test dummies are crashing!
Huh. Why, I oughta. Wake up, big guy. It's showtime! Let's bring the house down. Oh, yeah, baby. Over there.
Let's get out of here, Cubix.
Sorry, this exit's closed. Now, my ex-friends, it's time to pay the piper.
Dummy N, watch out! That giant hook above you, it's about to drop!
Why, that's the oldest trick in the book. What do you think I am? A dummy or something? Huh? Uh-oh! Whoa!
Cubix!
You safe. Thank you. I'm sure gonna miss you guys. But I gotta go back to work. Crash and smash, you know what I mean?
Take it easy, Dummy N, and good luck with everything.
Before I go, check out my new treads. How do you like this one? Oh, is this one better? What about this one? Huh? What do you think? Hey!
Hey, Dummy N! We're supposed to crash with you this afternoon. Just wanted to say we're looking forward to working with you. We heard you're really good. Well, see you inside.
Hey, looks like I got a couple of fans. You dummies, wait up. I'll see you guys later. Remind me to tell you about the tractor-trailer crash test. It's a great story. You'll love it. Hey, did you know I was the 14th dummy off the assembly line? Really?
They're gonna get an earful.
You said it.
For sure.
Let her off the outfit, so that's why I'm dummy N. Let me tell you about my first crash. You see...